Why the do we always need to meet at night?
I'm Batman. I do everything at night, and I prefer slightly dim corners of apartment buildings.
Can we do it inside at least? My suit's sweaty and caught between the crack of my cheeks.
Yeah, you a little slow for the fastest man alive.
Yeah, and you're too old to be around wearing a bat costume.
I'm gonna beat your ass for trying me like that, but this time I am letting this slide.
Why the we always meet at night? Don't you guys have anything to do?
I said the same.
Cut the bull. We need you to give us some free internet. Better than that fiber optic.
Who do you think I am? Do I look like a Wi-Fi router to you?
Yes.
I'm just gonna ignore that offensive comment. But why the would I give you free Wi-Fi anyway?
Because we have all your search history.
Stop the bull. I'm a cyborg. There's no way you hack my
Rusty Tentacle number 7. Mealf Boxes number 5.
Wait, what?
Bodacious Kryptonian baddies gone wild.
How the do you know all this?
I am Batman. I have my ways.
Alright, fine. I'll give you free Wi-Fi, but you need to tell me how you hack much.
That was funny, right? And I made it entirely using AI. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. With today's highly advanced AI tools, you can really go pretty wild, not gonna lie. Now for this video, I created the images using Nano Banana Pro, and for the videos, I use Seedance 1.5 Pro, and the result is right in front of you. And in today's video, I'll show you my entire process of making this video, along with the different techniques I use to create perfectly consistent characters and scenes. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Alright, the first thing you need to do is come up with your video idea. You can choose any topic you like and even take the help of AI to generate ideas. In my case, I got my video idea while watching a reel I came across and I thought of recreating it. Once you're ready with your video idea, it's time to create the visuals for the video. To create the visuals, I used a tool called Clone Viral AI. This tool brings together some of the best AI tools in one place, allowing you to access them based on your convenience. This means you can choose the image generator and video generator you want according to your needs. Now to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you'll see this interface. The interface you're looking at right now is the AI agent interface. What it does is simple. You just need to write your video instructions here. It can be anything, and the agent will take care of everything. Let me show you how easy it is. First, you need to write your prompt. Here, I'll paste this prompt. Next, you need to set up the parameters. For this option, I'll set it to auto because I want the AI to handle everything. You can also set it to step mode, where it will ask for your confirmation before moving on to the next step of the creation process. Next, you can choose the models if you want. As you can see, it literally has all of them. I won't select anything specific and will let the AI decide based on the requirements. Then, just sit back and relax. It will literally do everything for you and notify you once the video is ready. Here's what it created.
Oh no, the time? It's going by so fast.
We have to be there soon. What if we're late?
Come on, Flash. You know the drill.
We need this report now, Flash.
Here you go. Slow and steady. Gets the coffee. Done.
That was super amazing, right? And the fact that I was able to create this with just one prompt is absolutely mind-blowing. It's crazy how far AI tools have come. Now, as you can see, there are so many viral templates ready to use. You can simply choose a template and start creating your own content instantly. For this video, I didn't use the agent features. I did everything manually, and let me show you exactly what I did. Now, to generate images, you need to hover over the image option and then select Generate Image. This will take you to this interface. If you click here, you'll be able to see all the available image models. You can choose the one you like. I use Nano Banana Pro because, in my opinion, there is nothing even close to it in terms of quality. The first image I created was this scene sequence of them having a conversation. This gave me the initial idea of how to frame my video. Let me show you what I did. I used this prompt, and with it, you can create any scene sequence you want. You just need to write your scene description here. I'll also put this prompt in the description so you can check it out. Next, simply select the aspect ratio and image quality, and then generate the image. This is what it generated. Cool, right? Just one prompt and a 9-scene sequence with perfect character and scene consistency. Ever since I found out about this method, I've been using it for almost all my videos, and it's been incredibly helpful. Now, for the next scene draft, I wanted Cyborg to make his entrance and join the conversation. So this is what I did. I uploaded the initial scene sequence I had generated. I used the same prompt again, but this time I changed the scene description, then I generated the image, and this is what it created. Just look at this, the scene environment, the characters, everything else remains the same, and now Cyborg is also in the scene. Insane job by Banana Pro. Now let me show you how I extracted the images. It's pretty simple. I just took a screenshot of the scene from the sequence and uploaded it here. Then I wrote this prompt, making sure to mention clearly that nothing should be changed, and hit generate. This is the result. Perfect, high quality images without any changes, exactly what I wanted. Using this method, you can extract images easily. I didn't extract all the images, only the ones I thought would be useful for the video. After extracting the images, I also did some additional editing to create different scenes. For example, I created this solo close-up shot of Batman from one of the images. What I did was upload the image and write a prompt to create a close-up shot of Batman in the same position, and this is what it generated. These small details matter a lot when it comes to telling the story in a better way. It's not mandatory, but if you do it, it's extremely useful. Once that's done, I created the videos using Seedance 1.5 Pro. And here, you can literally make your character say anything you want without any restrictions. So here's what I did. First, hover over this option and select video generation, then go to image to video. Next, you need to choose the video model. I selected Seedance 1.5 Pro because it's the best right now. After that, I uploaded my image here and then wrote this prompt. As you can see in the prompt, I clearly mentioned the tone of the voice, and then I placed the dialogue I wanted the character to say inside quotation marks. You can also direct camera movements if you want. Next, you can choose the video resolution. I kept it at 480p to save credits, and honestly, there isn't much of a quality difference. You can keep this option turned off and then simply hit generate. And this is the output.
I'm Batman. I do everything at night and I prefer slightly dim corners of apartment building.
Amazing, right? It literally had no issues with the generation, whereas if you try this on most other generators, it almost certainly fails every time. Here's another example. It's the same process. I uploaded the image, gave a detailed prompt, and that's pretty much it. This is the output.
I'm gonna beat your for trying me like that, but I'll let this slide this time.
A very, very impressive result. The motion is smooth, the lip sync is great, and the voice sounds very natural. I know it's not perfect and you can still tell it's AI, but honestly, we're slowly getting there. Now, for this particular scene, I used the first and last frame option. Here's what I did. I uploaded the first and last frame images, then gave my prompt, and this is what it generated. Pretty good, right? It created the motion in between perfectly, and this is exactly why I love generating videos using the first and last frame technique. It gives me much more control over the scene. So this is how I created all the video clips. Just remember to keep the prompt simple, but also clearly mention exactly what you want, and you'll be good to go. After that, I added everything into CapCut, did a bit of editing, added background music, applied some filters, and that was pretty much it. It was pretty easy, wasn't it? I'm literally giving you the entire game right here. And with Clone Viral, you can take your content creation to the next level without any restrictions. When you sign up, they give you some free credits to generate content, but if you want full access, you can consider taking a subscription. So what are you waiting for? Go and try it right now. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.